Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Accounting standards of accounting. Somewhat understanding you got it. Now today we'll see procedures and few accounting standards also. Total 40 standards as per my knowledge today. By today we are having 40 accounting standards, that also we are going to discuss in this class. Very important class. Base of accounting standards you will come to know with this class. Now let's enter into the topic. You know that generally financial accounting rules, regulations, concepts, conventions, all these things we have been following. When few rules, few modifications, few standards are to be followed compulsory by the professional bodies. If the professional bodies like ICAI says that you have to follow this standard, then that will become accounting standard. This we discussed in the last class. What is the procedure of accounting standard? How the accounting standard got evaluated, and how you will come to know that this is accounting standard. There are few steps for preparing this accounting standard. How many steps are there total? 6 steps are there. The 6 steps we are going to discuss. Very easy topic but important also. Now, for this procedure for formulating accounting standards, for this purpose, there is a board, that is the accounting standard board. The accounting standard board. In short form, we say it as the ASB. Say the accounting standard board, ASB. This got evaluated or established on 21st April 1977 by ICAI. ICAI, they have established this one. What is that? The Accounting Standard Board, ASB, got established by ICAI on 21st April 1970. This ASB is going to decide or is going to proceed for the accounting standards. Total 6 steps are there. All the 6 steps are under the guidance of ASB only. What are the 6 steps? The first step is that identifying areas. When we wanted to prepare accounting standards, which areas? What are the main areas to be make it as accounting standards? Those areas first you have to identify. Once if you identify the areas, then we can go for the second step. So first step is we have identified the areas. In the second step, collecting views and opinions. Now simply they are not going to make accounting standards. They are going to take the opinion and views of few people. Who are they? One is public sector undertakings, because they have very good experience. They take the opinion of public sector undertakings and government officials also, and industry and other organization. All these people opinion, they consider it. After identifying the areas, they consider all these people's opinion, their views. Okay, then after that, this is collecting somewhat views and information or opinion of other people in the second step. Then after the third step, it comes taking assistance. These people opinion, you got it. Now taking assistance. Whose assistance will take? Will take the assistance of study and research groups. Study and research groups are there, so they take their opinion. If we follow this method, if we implement this method, what will happen? Their opinion anyhow they have given, but you tell us, shall we implement? Shall we make some changes? How can we go ahead? So this, you give us information, you tell us in that way. So they take the assistance from the study and research groups. Scholars are there, so they take their help also. Then after that, preparing exposure. Preparing exposure means nothing but this is an exposure draft, ready draft they are preparing. The draft we call it as an exposure draft. Views we got it, we have taken the help of the research people also. Now we are preparing draft. What draft? Exposure draft we are preparing. In exposure draft, we have to mention few points, mandatory and compulsory. Very clearly we have to mention it. What are those points? Means first one, meaning and definition of the terms. Any accounting standard we are taking, related to that, the meaning and definition of that term. Suppose if statements, we are taking financial statements. What does it mean? In which area we are going to do? So that meaning and definition of that particular term, that you have to mention it at this level. Next, accounting principles and concepts concerned with accounting standard. Related to that particular accounting standard, we are going to focus on the accounting principles and concepts. Principles and concepts concerned with the accounting standard. This we have to mention. Then third one, the manner in which accounting principles are being used to develop the accounting standard. How we have used that accounting standards, accounting principles, the manner in which accounting principles are being used for developing the accounting standard. So how you have used it, the manner you have used this accounting principles. Here we just mentioned about the accounting principles and concepts related to that accounting standard. This accounting principles, how we are using, the manner of using this accounting principles, that in the step number 3 of the fourth one. Okay. Then after that, few more steps are there. Presentation and disclosure. Presentation and disclosure requirements as per the accounting standard. So as per the accounting standard, how we have to present it, what is required, everything should be disclosed as per the accounting standard. Then after that, the category of organizations. The category of organizations to which accounting standards are applicable. Which category of organizations this accounting standards are applicable, that also you have to mention it, because we are preparing list. List means there should not be any confusion. It should be clear. Clarity you have to mention it. So which organizations purpose you are preparing this accounting standard, that also you are mentioning here, fifth point. Then after that, the sources of data providing effective information about the accounting standard. What is the data taken? For which data this is applicable, that is also the sources of data providing effective in above the accounting standards. So about this accounting standards. So all these 6 points you have to mention it. So all these 6 points comes under the exposure draft. Who will prepare this, all these 6 points in the exposure data? Who are nothing but the ASB. Accounting Standard Board is preparing these 6 points. Accounting Standard Board. So this is already introduced or prepared or given permission by the ICAI. Once if they prepare this, next 5th step, 4 steps are over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps are over. Now coming to 5th step, submitting proposal standards. Prepared standards, like what we have done, exposure draft we have prepared. This exposure draft is to be submitted in the 5th stage, submitting proposal standards. So who has to submit? ASB, Accounting Standard Board. ASB has to submit this proposal to the ICAI. What ICAI is going to do now? ICAI is going to go through this. Then after that, last final stage comes, 6th stage, that is issuing standards. But before issuing standards, ICAI have already gone through whatever is prepared by the exposure draft by the ASB. They have gone through, and in the final stage, before issuing the standards, what they do, they discuss about the necessary modifications. If any modifications are required, that also they discuss, and consultation with ASB, Accounting Standard Board. They discuss with the Accounting Standard Board, any kind of alterations are required, everything they discuss, and finally the accounting standard got introduced. Are you getting it? The basic information and all the rules and regulations, authority of preparing these accounting standards are given to the ASB, Accounting Standard Board. So Accounting Standard Board is following all these steps. In the final stage, 6th stage, whatever they have done, that is submitting to the ICAI. ICAI once again they discuss with the ASB, any kind of alterations are required, they do it, and finally they'll be releasing this accounting standard. These are the 6 steps. Am I clear? Very easy to remember. See, first identifying the areas, then collecting the views and opinions from these 3 people. Who are these 3? Public sector and government officials, industry and other organizations. Taking the information and views from these people, opinion and views. Then after that, taking assistance. Assistance always from the study and research groups. Then 4th step, preparing exposure. Exposure means nothing but preparing the exposure draft. For draft, 6 points are to be mentioned very clearly. This draft is prepared by ASB. Once if they prepare this draft, then 5th step is submitting this proposal to the ICAI. ICAI, what do they do at this stage? They just go through it, then they get a understanding. Then after that, before issuing the standards, they discuss, and if any alterations are required, they do with the help of the ASB, and they are going to release the accounting standards. 6 steps. Clear? Very important topic. Now, accounting standards. As per the Indian accounting standards, total 40 accounting standards are there at present, right now. All the 40 accounting standards, I cannot write it on the board. Few samples I have given you, and screenshot will be given on the desktop. You can just go through it. Now, right now you see how will be the list of accounting standards. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. First column, serial number. How many accounting standards are there? Just now I told you. How many? 40 are there. 3 I am mentioning it. In this column, IAS, Indian Accounting Standard. The title of that accounting standard. Suppose accounting standard 1, the title. And corresponding IAS or IFRS. Most of the accounting standards IAS only. Only few accounting standards which are related to the IFRS. That number also we are writing. That number will most of the time the same number only. This number will be matching. Now let's see the first one. Serial number 1. Accounting, Indian Accounting Standard. IAS. IAS. Accounting Standard number 1. This is serial number. We are talking about number 1. Number 1 accounting standard is talking about presentation of financial statements. Financial statements presentation like balance sheet, comparison statements, common size statements, trend analysis. These are all financial statements. Na? So, this Indian accounting standard number 1 is talking about the presentation of financial statements. Corresponding number is also same one, IAS 1. Second one, IAS 2. This is talking about inventories. Inventories. We have learned inventories, issue of inventories like LIFO, FIFO, inventory management. Related to the inventories, Indian Accounting Standard 2. 2 is related to the inventories. That is IAS 2. And next, IAS 7. 3, 4, 5, 6 missing. They might have removed, something happened. But anyhow, next number comes to IAS 7, Indian Accounting Standard 7. 7 is talking about cash flow statement. Earlier we used to prepare cash flow statement in a different format. Indian Accounting Standard has mentioned different format. They changed it. So that is mentioned in the Accounting Standard number 7. That is cash flow statement. You should remember it. Number 1, financial statements. Number 2, inventories. Number 7, next one, it comes number 7, cash flow statement. Like this, you have to remember all the 40. I'll tell you best way to remember the 40 items. First, take 5 accounting standards. Now, right now, you have remembered 3. 1, 2, 7, 2 more. Next, whatever list I'm going to give you, like 5 you by heart it. Write it very clearly in your notes. 5 you by heart it. 1, statements, financial statements. 2, inventories. 3, cash flow statement. 3 means 7th one. Next, after 2, which one comes? 7th, Indian Accounting Standard 7. 7 is cash flow statement. 3 is over. 2 more you take. Like 5 you by heart it. It will be easy for you to remember. Now, after this class, you'll find the list of the rest of the accounting standards also. 3 already over, rest of the 37 list is attached to you. You can just go ahead, first take the screenshot. A rest of the 37 is given on the screen. Pause the video and note down. As I told you, in the same passion, you try to by heart it or try to remember it. So hope the talk is useful. Very important talk today. And in the coming classes also, I'm going to cover a lot more topics related to the accounting standards. Stay connected and don't forget to share this video and please practice well. Nowadays, you are not subscribing to our channel. Let me know what is the reason. Anyhow, stay connected. Good luck.